It's your boy, the Cryptologist, back with another video. Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how to add Smart Chain onto your MetaMask app. Okay, first you have to download MetaMask to your computer or to your phone. Once you get it downloaded, you go right here in the corner. You'll see the little fox, and once it pulls up, you click right here and go to Settings. Okay, and you're gonna click on Networks, and then you're gonna go to Add Network. Okay, once you add the network, you put the network name, which is Smart Chain. Okay, the new RPC URL will be HTTPS semicolon slash BSC data seed Binance .org /. Okay, chain ID will be 56. The symbol will be BNB. Okay, and the block URL will be HTTPS semicolon / BSC scan .com. And since I already have Smart Chain on my MetaMask, it's not going to let me submit. But once you finish doing all that, you should be able to press submit or confirm right here. And boom, you have the Smart Chain app, Smart Chain on your MetaMask account. And then right up here, you'll just, instead of going to the Ethereum mainnet, you'll click on the Smart Chain. And then you can start trading. You can start trading BNB on your MetaMask account. Thank you guys. You make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the like button. Thanks.